Oh man. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to The Average Investor, where anyone can build wealth, even the average investor, and I'm super excited to make this video. In this video, I'm gonna be breaking down 7 streams of income that were putting money in my pocket this month, and it's pretty crazy. But first, if you guys are curious what I've been doing, because I haven't uploaded on this YouTube channel in like 3 weeks or something, I've been traveling with all this new time that I have on my hands, went back, spent some time with my family and went turkey hunting. I absolutely love turkey hunting. If you know what turkey hunting is all about, you know how addicting and how fun it is. But I've also been grinding on my businesses because if you guys do not know, I quit my job last month to take this full time. So I'm super excited to show you all my hard work and what we're at right now. I still don't believe it myself, so it's pretty crazy. Side note, I am currently reading this book, Money Master the Game by Tony Robbins. If you're following my TikTok, you know how much I love it. I'm like 400 pages deep. I think I'm 400 pages out of the 600. So I'll be smacking that amazing book. If you are looking for more books to add on to your collection, that's definitely one of them. So I'm sure the total of my monthly earnings is already in the title of this video. And if you don't want to wait to the end of the video, I got it. But if you do want to wait, there's some good stuff at the end. So grand total, drum roll please, for the month of April is $21,118. Now, I'm not making this video at all to brag. I'm not throwing that number at you to think like, oh, I'm a hotshot because I'm making X amount this month. For some people, that number is astronomical, and for some people, it's absolutely teeny. But for me personally, just because I quit my job last month, this number is insane because the base for my job, and keep in mind I did have a sales job, so mostly it's in commission, but my base was 40,000. So to be making 21, almost 22K, and we still have a week left, keep that in mind. It's pretty mind-boggling to me, and I hope it's inspiring to you because it should show you don't need that 9-to-5 job in order to make this income. There are multiple other ways that you can be producing your own money, and it doesn't have to be working for someone else. And in full transparency and complete honesty, I did not think I was gonna get anywhere close to that. Honestly, I was shooting for maybe 8, 10 would be awesome just as a benchmark in my mind, but 21 is mind-boggling. And I'm gonna be breaking down all my streams of income to you guys from smallest to largest while I'm cooking dinner because it's 6:14 and I'm getting hungry, so let's do that. First of all, what's on the menu? We got some rice cooking right now. Got the oven is all ready because I'm cooking some chicken. I'm gonna be throwing some carrots and some broccoli in the good old oven, so sweet. All right, that angle should be good. I don't know, not 100% sure, but let's dive into it. I'm about to chop up the vegetables. All right, guys, so for my first stream of income on this list, and keep in mind we're going smallest to largest, the first one is going to be YouTube with a whopping $0 because I'm still not monetized, but that's okay because with your guys' support, I'm thinking we're gonna be monetized sometime in the near future. So like this video and subscribe if you haven't. Awesome. Sweet. So for our actual first stream of income that's making real money and not monopoly money, that is gonna be Yada Savings. So for those that do not know, Yada Savings is what I use as my high interest savings account. I will leave a link down in the bio if you guys wanna open a high interest savings account. The whole reason why I use it is for my emergency fund. I think everyone should have an emergency fund, which is 3 to 6 months of your expenses, and I made a whopping $6 with that guy, so that's cool. I never really know how to cut these carrots, so I just like dice them up in little baby guys. I also don't know if they're bad. They've been in there for like a week. I think it should be fine. Hey Siri, how long can you keep carrots in the refrigerator for? Oh, cool. Yeah, 3 or 4 weeks. We're chilling. All right, guys. For the next stream of income, we have TikTok, and people think because you have a ton of followers on TikTok, you'll be making a lot of money, but that is really not the case. I think the most money I've made on TikTok in a month is like $300, maybe. I'm not even sure if it was that much, but this month I was not super active on TikTok, only had 1 or 2 videos that really did well, and then we made a total of $16. So let that sink in if you're trying to make a living on TikTok. All right, this is what we're working with. About to toss these bad boys in the oven. Looks pretty good. There's some olive oil and some salt on that. I think that'll do. All All right, so for the third stream of income, it's one of those things that is more challenging if you're just starting out and building a following on social media, but it's affiliate marketing. And that's like with my links, if you sign up with Webull, or if you sign up with Public Sick, or if you, one of those links that I have down in the description, if you use them, I will get a kickback. And on this month, we are sitting pretty at $210, which is pretty crazy because I know people are getting free stuff out of it, which is really cool. And it's companies that I really trust and personally use, which is the most important thing. So the fourth stream of income is actually one that I didn't start until the middle of this month. Had no idea about it, but my boy Jack, I'll leave his channel down at the bottom of the channels. Definitely go check that out. His channel is sweet, way better than mine. So go check that man out. That's my boy. What it is basically is it's a website called ShareGrid, and I'm not affiliated with them at all, but basically you can rent out your camera gear to other people. They have to pay insurance, the whole nine to actually use it. And I didn't know how much money I was gonna make from it. I just thought it'd be cool to go meet people, meet creatives, and also make some money on it. And I only started doing this in the middle of the month, and I made $226.95 from it, and I am renting out my Sony a7S III, so might be in a little bit higher demand. But if you do have some camera gear lying around and you live in, a bigger city, then there's a chance that you could start making some money on that. So go check that out. It's an extra $230 basically that kind of fell from the sky. I'm not really depending on this stream of income because it can be really hit or miss. Some people might have a lot of shoots one month, some people might not. So it's just one of those ones that just came about in the middle of the month. So that's pretty cool. Bam, I ran out of my chicken seasoning like last week. So these are gonna be kind of bland. Whoa. These guys are gonna be a little bland, but that's right, because we got a bunch of other stuff. Not sure how any of these angles are because I've never filmed like this, so bear with me if they suck. So the fifth stream of income is another one that helps when you have a brand, a personal brand, and a following on social media. So I'm lucky for that. Thank you guys if you guys do support me, but this is giving me opportunities to work with other brands that I like, similar to affiliate, but more me creating the content for them. So with brand deals on this month, we made $2,621.76, which is like, that's crazy that brands want to work with me already and they pays that much. Just with brand deals alone, that already covers my cost of living, which is so cool because just a month ago, I was working at an employer doing stuff that really didn't single me out, that didn't really use my talents and my creativity or my passion for making money. And here's an opportunity that I can, and that already pays my cost of living. That's so cool. So also, thank you guys for that. For my sixth stream of income, it's one of those ones that I've been working on for a while. So I didn't really just do it in this month, which is kind of in the gray area, but I definitely want to add it here because it is how much I made on this month. And that would be my investments. And just on this month alone, we've made $6,637.23 with just the investments alone, which is so cool because that's passive income. That's nothing I had to trade my time for. So that's so sweet. Please keep in mind that I've been in the stock market for about 5 years now, so this is not an overnight thing. I didn't just build this portfolio in the beginning of April. I've been doing this for many years, and this is a combination of my index funds. Crypto has done really, really well this month, and some of the other hand-picked stocks that I've selected. So just know investments can go up and down, up and down. One month I might be down 1,000. All right, I wanna sit back down at the home base while everything is still cooking over there. Hopefully nothing burns. I'm gonna have to run over there periodically. But for the last stream of income, the seventh stream of income is by far my largest, and that's social media marketing. That total comes out to $11,250 on the month. I've been doing social media myself since I was 16 years old. I was building accounts and trying to grow them as big as I could, for one, to start making my own money, but as well as start building a portfolio of companies. And in order to start doing social media marketing, which can mean a lot of things to different companies. So for some companies, I make the content and post it. For other companies, I just get the content and post it for them, do the captions, the whole nine. But when I can tell you anyone can do social media marketing, if you have Instagram skills, or if you're on TikTok, you already have a successful personal brand on TikTok, you guys can definitely do this yourself. Put down in the comments if you want me to do a social media marketing breakdown, tutorial type of thing where I'm explaining exactly how I did it, show you all my clients if I can. Not sure if I can do that yet, but basically just break down exactly what I did to get where I am on my social media marketing game, as well as what you guys can do to start your social media marketing game. And keep in mind, when I did quit my job last month, I only had one client for my social media marketing, so I had no idea how much money I was gonna be making from it, or if it was even gonna be one of my largest incomes. And here we are, it's definitely my largest stream by far. And again, we still have a week left, so I am shooting for a grand total of $25,000 this month, which is absolutely insane that I can even be saying that. One second, I gotta go get the chicken. But seriously, I cannot stress enough how crazy it is for me to be sitting here quitting my job last month, which if I was really killing it there, commission included, I would be making around $72,000 a year, which is amazing. That's a ton of money as it is, but here we are now a month later and I'm almost making my base in a month, or half of my base in a month, sorry, half of it. I'm extremely fortunate and extremely blessed to be in this position now, but I want this to be the benchmark. I want this to be the floor and we just keep growing from here, because as soon as you become content, that's when I think you start falling behind. So this is a great place to start, an amazing place to start, but hopefully one day I can look back on this video and think, that was awesome, but now we're triple that, which would be so cool. So for you guys that are sitting out there that are at a 9-to-5 or in high school, definitely start thinking of ways that you can start making money, because as you can see, I have 7 streams of income, not one. If you just have one, if I only had one, that ShareGrid one, I would only be making $28 a month, but I have 7 streams of income, and some of them are small. I'm making $16 for TikTok, but another one might be making $2,000 with brand deals. So if anything, I really hope this video inspires you, because I remember I watch people all the time like Stephan, Andre Jick, and other people on YouTube that I watch these videos, and that's super inspiring to me as I'm sitting at my job thinking, I could do that. There's no reason I can't do that. And here I am, literally living, breathing, doing it, which is just insane. So guys, if you've made it to this point in the video, thank you so much. I would greatly appreciate it if you subscribe to the YouTube channel if you haven't already. Definitely like this video to spread it to more people that want to start figuring out how they can make more streams of income. But overall, if this is something that you guys are personally interested in doing, then definitely go for it. Even if it's starting something small on the side, take that, grow it, grow it, grow it, just like you're planting a field of corn. You're gonna plant that seed and you're gonna hope for it to grow over time. And there's definitely times where you're gonna have to sit around and read books so you can learn about stuff. I think that's extremely crucial. I got my stack of my favorite books. I can link that up there too, of all my favorite books. That's super crucial, and you're also gonna have to spend a lot of time alone figuring out, how can I make this better? How can I work on this? How can I shoot my YouTube videos? So you're gonna have to sacrifice your weekends. Like Grant Cardone says, the weekend are for the week. But anyways, guys, I think that wraps up the video. Again, thank you so much if you made it to this point. I seriously appreciate it. I hope you guys have a great rest of your night and an even better week. All right, it's time to eat some dinner. Bye, guys.